Many financial experts advise investors to buy at low and sell at high. But the question is what the high price is. Every time there is an increase in a price, investors become more optimistic and wait for further rise. And it is an endless process. However, it is advisable that the investors need to put a limit on their expected return. When you are making an investment, you may expect a return maybe 10%, 20%, 25% based on a past historical returns on that particular stock. You can fix a return saying that on this investment, for me, 25% gain or 25% return is acceptable. Once stock price reaches to that point, they need to sell the stock and book profits. There is a saying that fasten your sell price and stick to it. In this video tutorial, I explain you how to determine the rational sell price. So for this, we use an equation that is purchase price into e to the power of RT, which is continuous compounding return value. So let us assume that we made a purchase for price for an amount of 400, and what is your expected return on this stock? Maybe you borrowed funds from this and where you are paying 18% per annum as an interest. So in return you expect that this investment will yield you more than that. So 18% is your cost, you expect a plus 6%. Assume that 24% is the expected return. Next, enter the purchase date, that is the date of purchase of your stock. So it need to be in a DD format. Let us say 1st January 2012, and sell date, assuming that you are selling this stock on 31st December 2013. Okay, now how to determine the rational sell price? So here we need to use equal to purchase price multiplied by e to the power of RT. E is exponential value, R is the rate of interest or your expected return, and T is duration in years. So F into, for exponential value use Excel built-in function exp R is your expected return, this multiplied by T is a duration. So here we have a selling price, that is selling date, and purchase date. So difference between these two are our dates. So this equals to our selling price, selling date minus purchase date and divided by 360, because here T is per annum, so annual number of years. So that's why we divided by 360. So 650 is your rational sell price. By holding this stock for 2 years, you are with an expected return of 24%. If the stock reaches 650, then you need to sell it. So sell the stock, make a profit of your 24%, and in future again if you want to invest, you feel that the price will go further hike, then reinvest. But first thing is you book the profit on this stock.